Okay, yan na si Berna. Nag-aayos na ng bags for our checkout. Ganda nitong nakalagay sa bar nila. Oh. Gumagalaw. Wow, look at that. Ganda. Iba ang design, no? Gumagalaw yung mga... Ayun, may butterfly na. Galing. Ayun, si Berna. Umu-order na ng drinks. At hotel hopping na naman kami sa ibang lugar. From Mondrian to Pullman. Ganda talaga nitong design na to. Wow. O yan, si Berna. Ulit. Bumalik uli yung butterfly. Gumagalaw talaga. Oh. Ganda. Oh. Ang ganda nitong design nila dito. Oh. Gumagalaw lahat. Oh. Mga butterfly. Oh. Anong in-order mo sa akin?
Let me see the PS4.
Oh, wow. Libre yun, ha? Okay, ito ginagawa namin while waiting for the next Grab to come. Okay, so dalawang lobby at yun, sa taas. May isang lobby pa. Dalawa lobby nitong hotel na to. Ayun, nagagalawan na naman yung mga butterflies. Oh. Ganda ng design. Ayun, tumatalon-talon yung butterfly. Okay. Berna, dyan na drinks. Okay, drinking time again. Alright. Cheers to the good life. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next hotel, Berna. Okay, a Grab car, Uber. Okay, Pullman. So we are at the Pullman. Ambassador Seoul, Pullman here in Seoul. Okay, another hotel hopping. Uy, nice hotel. May mga weddings pala rito sa Pullman. And Berna's checking in. Okay, so that's where we came from. Entrance and exit. Just taking a look at the lounge. Breakfast lounge? No, this is not. It's a bar. I'm gonna check in at the executive lounge. Well, we're going to the Club Ambassador Lounge. 18th floor now, Berna. Okay, checking in at the lounge with our 2 bags. After the check-in at the executive lounge, we go to the room. 1705. Okay, so this is going to be a room for the next 2 nights. Ah, nakabukas na pala yung kurtina. So, tingnan natin yung view.
Automatic bukas.
Ah, nag-automatic bukas ba yan? Ang galing, Uy, kita pala rito yung yung ating tower, Namsan Tower. Galing ng view pala natin. Kahapon, nandiyan kami sa Namsan Tower. Surrounded by the mountains. Pumasok pa kami sa tunnel at sumakay ng cable. Laki rin ng Korea. Sana makapasyal kami sa North Korea. Oh, yan, may sofa. Kung kasama si Cole, okay na sana. Okay, compliments of the hotel. Dami ng alak, Tsaka daming matamis. Well, di siya gaano malaking room, pero it's a very decent 30 square meter room.
30 square?
Kanyang meron silang bidet lagi, parang sa Japan. Okay, may rain shower at may bathtub. Okay, so we have a mini bar. Maliit nga yung kwarto pero okay na rin. Malinis, tsaka maganda na rin. Okay, chill muna bago tayo magpunta sa executive lounge here at the Pullman Ambassador, Seoul, Korea. Ayan, tingin muna sa view habang waiting for the elevator. Oh, Mama, sandali. Oh, ganda yun Ganda yung view na yun Okay, to the executive lounge. And on the way to the Club Ambassador Lounge to drink and get tipsy. Dami ng tao. Mahiling mga Koreano sa inuman din Oh, nice ambience. Okay, so having magagandang view dito sa lounge. But we'll Allow Berna to choose the seating. Ang dami na naman pagkain. Para yung view mas maganda dyan. Please, mas maganda yung mga upuan dito sa area na to. Dapat pala mapaaga tayo. Dapat dito tayo banda, Berna. Late tayo dumating. Anyway, okay na rin yan. Malapit sa pagkain. Grabe, ang daming food Ito, panay salad, Korean salad. Ito, may barbecue sila. Ito, may bulgogi sila. At yun, sa kabila, salmon. Sarap nito. Imagine executive lounge, hindi mo na kailangan mag-dinner. Pag ito, naubos ko. Ang dami pang pagkain doon. Ito, food ni Berna. Panay salad, very light lang. Berna, kinuha mo pagkain. Okay, grabe, kanina punong-puno ng Koreano to. Ngayon, ako naman ang kukuha ng food. Maganda choices ng food nila. Imagine dito sa lounge, sa dami ng pagkain, hindi mo na kailangan mag-dinner. Yun ang advantage pag nasa lounge ka. So, the best part, drink all you can, eat all you can. Yan. Siguradong tatamaan ka after 2 hours of drinking and eating. At least nakakapanood tayo ng badminton while drinking and eating. Okay, so my drinks for tonight will be gin tonic to avoid getting so drunk. Berna, what are you drinking? Just wine while watching the Olympics of badminton in Paris? Okay, cheers to the good life again, Mama Berna. Okay. Yes, it's a good life. Ganda naman ng perfect view from the executive lounge. Wow. With the tower of Seoul Tower. Grabe. Medyo may tama na ako Yan, si Mama Berna. Dinala ako ng appetizer. Thank you, Mama Berna. Oh my God. Okay, binigay mo sa akin pagkain. Appetizer. Lala. Grabe. Itong barbecue, ang daming asukal. Kaya napakasarap. Salamat, Mama Berna. Kaya, yung spicy Dilis, napakasarap. Grabe. Ito, may kasamang bulgogi. At may kasamang steak. Naman. Kasama pang spicy mushroom. Yun, si Berna kumukuha pa ng more alcohol. Talaga naman, enjoy sila magshota, Okay, so let's explore more food dito sa lounge. Ito ang the best part, yung alcohol. Yes. Tapos meron sila rito. Pwede kang kumuha dyan, Lahat busy kumakain, Enjoy sila lahat. Bawat sa akin ng matamis. Ganda ng ambience, Perfect. More food nung kinuha ko. Ito, grabe, spicy squid. Sobrang sarap. Yung barbecue, daming asukal. Talaga naman. Napakasarap. Wow, this is really a perfect ambience. The Pullman of Ambassador Seoul. Here comes Berna. More food. Sarap niyan, Berna. The best part is that we don't have to pay for the drinks and the food. Berna, Berna, sinong lumalamang? Busy watching siya ng badminton.